There are many products available to choose blenders, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive exploration, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best blenders from estimable brands. Later, much exploration, I set up these products much helpful for people like you. However, be sure to check my description, so without any further detention, let's jump into the videotape. If you want to know about the price and other information. Number 1. Portable Fruit Juice Blenders. Stay refreshed and healthy with the Portable Fruit Juice Blender, a personal electric mini juicer designed for convenience and style. Featuring 6 sharp blades, it effortlessly blends fruits, veggies, and more into smooth, nutritious drinks in seconds. Perfect for summer and beyond, this USB-powered blender doubles as a compact bottle, making it ideal for home, office, or on-the-go use. Its lightweight, portable design fits in your bag, while the rechargeable battery ensures you can enjoy fresh juices anytime, anywhere. Easy to clean and perfect for the kitchen or outdoor adventures, this juicer is your go-to gadget for a healthy lifestyle. Number 2. BioloMix 3HP 2200 Watt Blender. The BioloMix 3HP 2200 Watt heavy-duty commercial-grade timer blender is the ultimate kitchen companion for professionals and home chefs. With its powerful 2200 watt motor and 3 HP performance, this versatile blender effortlessly handles fruits, vegetables, ice, and more. Perfect for smoothies, soups, juices, and food prep, it features a BPA-free 2L jar for healthy and safe blending. The built-in timer ensures precise control, while the durable stainless steel blades deliver exceptional results every time. Designed for heavy-duty use, this blender combines power, efficiency, and durability, making it ideal for restaurants, cafes, or your busy home kitchen. Elevate your culinary experience with BioloMix. Number 3. BioloMix Kitchen Food Stand Mixer Blender. The BioloMix Kitchen Food Stand Mixer is a powerhouse for your culinary creations, combining versatility with efficiency. Featuring a robust 1200 watt DC motor, this mixer operates quietly while delivering exceptional performance. Its 6-speed settings allow precise control for whisking cream, whipping eggs, and kneading dough effortlessly. The spacious 6L stainless steel bowl provides ample capacity for large batches, making it ideal for baking enthusiasts. Designed with a durable build and modern aesthetics, the mixer is both functional and stylish. Whether you're blending, mixing, or kneading, the BioloMix stand mixer ensures flawless results, transforming your kitchen into a chef's paradise. Number 4. BPA-free 3HP 2200 watt blender. The BPA-free 3HP 2200 watt heavy-duty commercial-grade blender is your powerhouse for all blending and food processing needs. Perfect for smoothie bars, kitchens, or anyone who loves high-performance appliances, this blender effortlessly crushes ice, blends fruits, and processes a variety of ingredients with ease. Its 3-horsepower motor ensures rapid blending, making smoothies, shakes, soups, and more in seconds. The BPA-free design ensures safety and quality, while its durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance. Whether you're creating smoothies or preparing meals, this versatile blender is the ideal tool for quick, efficient, and consistent results every time. Number 5. MIUI Electric Handheld Stick Blender 6-in-1. The MIUI Electric Handheld Stick Blender is your all-in-one solution for quick and efficient blending. With 6 versatile attachments, this 1200 watt immersion blender can handle a wide range of tasks, from blending smoothies to pureeing soups and chopping vegetables. Its powerful stainless steel blades ensure smooth, even results every time. The ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip, while the sleek, durable construction makes it easy to clean and maintain. Ideal for any home kitchen, this multi-purpose blender combines performance and convenience, saving you time and effort in meal prep. Upgrade your cooking experience with the MIUI 6-in-1 hand blender. That is all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need further information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay streamlined with our cool products, as it'll make your life much more easier. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.